Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If this video helps you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe so you don't miss any future tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to log into the EAFC 25 companion app the right way, especially if you're having trouble getting signed in. First, open the EAFC 25 companion app on your phone. When the app loads, it's going to ask you to sign in with the same EA account you use on your console or PC. That means the email and password must match the account linked to your FC25 Ultimate Team. If the accounts don't match, the app won't let you in, so make sure you're using the correct login. Enter your EA account email and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, EA will send you a verification code by email, text, or the EA security app. Just enter that code to continue. This step is required for security, and you won't be able to skip it. Once you're signed in, EA needs to confirm that you already played FC25 on your linked platform. If you haven't launched the game yet on PlayStation, Xbox, or PC, the app will show an error. So if this happens, just open FC25 on your console or PC and enter the Ultimate Team at least once. After that, go back to the app and try logging in again, and it should let you through. If the app still doesn't log you in, double check that you're not using an old EA account or a different email. You can also reset your password from the login screen if you forgot it. And if you recently changed consoles, make sure your new platform is linked to your EA account by visiting EA's website and checking your connected accounts. Once everything matches the correct EA account, Ultimate Team's progress, and platform link, the EAFC 25 companion app will log you in and load your club, transfer market, and squad management options instantly. And that's it. That's how you log in to the EAFC 25 companion app. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and feel free to ask for more fixes or tutorials in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.